What's up, viewers and subscribers? Hope all is well. Welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
We have for you here a 5 bedroom, 4 bathroom house for sale on Retreat Drive, Kingston 17, Jamaica. This is a multi-family house on land area of 10,498 square feet with helpers quarters and reinforced glass slide doors to enjoy the breathtaking ocean view. This house also has additional space to entertain guests and a spacious yard for the family and the children to enjoy. Other features of this home includes garden area, ceramic tiling, water tank, water heater, grill, fully fenced, fully walled, TV cable, private setting, quiet area, low maintenance cost to maintain the yard, senior oriented, road paved, and much more. This is also an ideal income earner with additional access from Camp Rose and Rest Haven. The current price of this house is Jamaican 30 million or US $191,000. Now let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts.
Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, for more details on the property, please visit the description area below. Until next time, this is your boy Nick. One love.